Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and you've had a great weekend. So today I'm going to be showing you how to decorate this little planter. So for this piece I've decided to have a wave design to it. And as you've seen earlier with a sharp tool, I've lightly outlined the waves where I wanted them. Then using my diamond cold tool, but you can use any carving tool, you just go over the line that you have outlined to carve the wave into the piece. Once I'm done with the carving with a sponge, I'm going over the line just to soften it up and clean it up a little bit. Now for this piece, I've decided to use some of the underglaze colors that I've mixed myself. So here I'm using a peach color on the top section of a piece, as well as inside the piece. So I've applied about 3 layers, both inside and outside, making sure to let the layers dry in between application. So one thing that I really like about underglazes is that they behave in the same way as paint will, in the sense that you can combine different color paints to create a new color or a new shade of that paint. So here for both these sections, so both the peach and here I'm using a teal or turquoise blue color, those two I've mixed myself using two different underglaze color that I had bought already. So once I'm done with applying the colors, I'm just tidying up the edges with a metal rib or one of the ribbon tools, so to make sure there's no color where I don't want them to be. Next, with my U-shaped diamond core tool, I am going ahead and carving a little pattern into the bottom section for this piece. You can achieve the same design by using a ribbon tool or a loop tool as well. But since I had the diamond core tool, I'm using them because it gives such a clean cut that you don't need to do any cleaning really once you're done. So the clay that I'm using for this piece is a very nice toasted brown clay, and I like showing it off in my pieces. So I think this pattern would work quite nicely with it, where I'm giving this piece a bit more life, but at the same time I am still showcasing the clay. I absolutely love how this piece turned out. So I'm gonna let this dry and then it will go through its two firings, and once the piece is done I will upload it on my Instagram and Facebook pages, where you can go and check out the finished product. So I hope you have found this video helpful and that gave you ideas for your own pieces. So have a great time and see you next time.